Hello, I will introduce you PinooBot. PinooBot is our robot car with sensors and modules on it, and our brain, our PinooBot, is for controlling our robot. It comes with a box like this. In the box, it is not ready assembled. We have to assemble it in our online lessons together. But now I want to talk a bit more about the components which forms our PinooBot. The sensors, what they are, what they do. We will talk about it. Hello. Now we will talk about our PinooBot and modules on sensors on our PinooBot. When you have your PinooBot, it doesn't come like this. It comes in the box and you have to assemble your robot. That's why I want to talk about each components of our robot. Our PinooBot has brain. Brain of your robot is Pinoo card. Okay? Pinoo control card on the top of it. It has ports on right hand side and the left hand side, and each port has a color code. These color codes are also on your components. For example, on this sensor, this color is in number 5 and number 6. That means ultrasonic sensor can be connected in 5 and 6. As you see here, number 5 is connected with it in your robot. This is how we're connecting. This is ultrasonic sensor. It measures the distance. By the way, for each sensor I talk here, you can see it on robot itself. These are the wheels on two sides of our robot. This is DC motor. DC motors are connected with our wheels. When the motor is on, the wheel is on. We have two DC motors in our PinooBot. This is for our battery. When we have no connection with the computer, we need energy for our robot. So we need 9-volt battery inside of this. This is Bluetooth. Bluetooth module, we need it to able to control it from application, from a remote control. This is another sensor we use with our PinooBot. It is for line following. This sensor can sense black and white color and can follow the lines. In our PinooBot, we will put it on the downside here. So when it's moving, it can sense the color on the ground. You also have, of course, chassis, which is the most important thing for cars. You must assemble everything, every single component, every sensors, every modules, every wheel, everything here. You have to assemble in your chassis. These are the screws, and cables are for connections. We have online lessons for the assembly process, not only for assembly process, also for coding process, because we will code our car to able to read the sensor and move accordingly.